Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aquarius 8 sign. This is January bi-weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages and what's going on. Aquarius. Aquarius. The Tower and Six of Swords, Queen of Wands. Interesting. Devil, King of Cups, Three of Wands. Five of Swords. There is separation between you and your person right now. For some no contact. Yeah, there are some disturbances between both of you. Five of Swords energy, and they may be backstabbed on you. Definitely there are some issues, but one person want to fix the things between both of you. Yeah, they want to end the fight between both of you. They are coming back. So Aquarius, let's see your reading. Recent past, the Tower, Six of Swords and Queen of Wands. Yeah, definitely there is some Tower moment for you. You went through in recent past. Maybe for some you are going through right now. And Six of Swords and Queen of Wands. Maybe you decided to move on from this person because there is no equal give and take. Yeah, you have to stand by yourself. You have to fight for yourself because Queen of Wands, definitely you overcome this pain. You decided to move on and then now you become like this Queen of Wands energy. You stand by your power. Right now what's going between you and your person? The Devil, King of Cups and Three of Wands. Maybe I think two persons coming towards you. What I'm getting here. One is King of Cups and another is King of Pentacles. So take what resonate. Maybe it could be one person also. For some it could be one past person. One could be new person. Because two King of Cups with King of Pentacles. So you turn your back from your person because obsession. Definitely there is some obsession involved in this connection. It creates resistance. Okay, the Devil energy is here. The person involved in this connection could be Capricorn also. Maybe this person is non-committal, very dominative in this connection. And King of Cups with, but now they're ready to offer their cup of love to you. They're coming back, but you turn your back from this person because you stand by your power. You decided to move on. Aquarius. For some, you still waiting for your person. You are waiting for them to take first move towards you. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Okay. So future energies, Page of Cups, the Lovers and King of Pentacles. Yeah. I think for some, yeah, they're coming back with an apology, message, communication. For some children's also involved in this connection, Pages. The Lovers. Love is there. Definitely love is there between both of you. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini. And King of Pentacles. I think your person may be very abundant. They already well settled. I think two persons are coming towards you. Past person coming back with an apology. So it's up to you to accept their offer or not. But one new person is also coming towards you. And there is love. Definitely I think new person also have love for you. And past person also. But there is the Devil energy, some obsession. So it's up to you what to do. For some, two persons coming towards you. For some it could be your past person. They already financially stable. That is the message for you. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going on. Under the deck, the Moon. Definitely there are some disturbances, illusions between both of you. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces also. So let's see Aquarius, your person current feelings. Empress, the Fool, Three of Wands. Yeah, I think waiting game is going between you and your person right now. Yeah, they want brand new beginnings with you. They want to take leap of faith. The Empress, they see you as their Empress. Yeah, they see you that you stand by your power. You are very grounded. Yeah, they see you as their Empress. They really want brand new beginnings with you, the Fool card. And they want to take leap of faith. They are waiting also Maybe they are waiting for you to take first move towards them. Something waiting game is going between both of you. And long distance relationship it could be. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Aquarius. Your person near future actions. Yeah, separation. Two of Swords under the deck. Yeah, they may be juggling right now. They don't know what to do, what not to do, because a lot of juggling is going. Yeah, Five of Cups. They're really sad for the separation which had happened between both of you. And Eight of Wands. They want to communicate with you. They really want rebirth in this connection. They want reconciliation with you. And they are feeling like this without you. Ten of Swords. How this person feeling without you. They're feeling so much pain. They are in so much pain. Aquarius, they really want to communicate with you. Lots of communication. Yeah, I think in near future definitely they will communicate. Lots of communication is going to be happen between both of you, because these are action cards. They're missing you so much, and they're feeling sad for the separation. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Maybe right now your person may be juggling, but in near future they will get clarity and will communicate you. Yeah, walking away, separation. Maybe your person is walked away from this connection. Now they're feeling regret. Yeah, Temperance. Yeah, and under the deck, Ten of Pentacles. Maybe right now your person concentrating on their career for some. That's why they're waiting for the right time to come towards you. Yeah, they decided to come towards you. The communication is coming in your way. Your person for some already very abundant. Nine of Pentacles. Temperance is here. And the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius also. What I'm getting here, they really want to offer stability to this connection. Before coming towards you, they want to be financially abundant. What I'm getting here. Maybe if they walked away from you, now they're feeling regret. That's why when they're financially abundant, they will come towards you and make propose. Okay. They want you back. They're sad without you. Aquarius. Yeah, they really want to work on this relationship, partnership. I think you also thinking about them a lot. Nine of Swords energy. Definitely, when you are alone, you are thinking about them a lot. You are in anxiety, depression type of energy. Yeah, you do really want equal give and take in this connection, want partnership, because Three of Pentacles, you both already known each other for some. You both could be colleagues also. Three of Pentacles, yeah. Yeah, I think this relationship for some reconciliation will happen, because Three of Pentacles. So they will take action towards you. They're going to be make action soon. Before, definitely communication is coming in your way. Aquarius. Temperance. Yeah, they're waiting for the right time to come towards you in divine timing. They're patiently waiting for you. They want you back. So the person involved in the, again under the deck, Five of Cups. They're really missing you so much. So the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your overall energy. Aquarius. Ten of Cups. Yeah, you are waiting for this happiness with your person, and it's coming. Celebration, reconciliation. Yeah, you have strong emotions for your person. Communication. I think lot of readings got same called communication. I think it's communication time. Yeah. Reconciliation. Most of you, there will be reconciliation, guys. Very rare cases, there will be not. It depends on situation. Let's see your person overall energy. Yeah. Maybe in past, they are having hard time to express their feelings. They are suffering in silence. They are missing you so much. This message coming again and again. They are ready to work on this relationship. They want second chance. Aquarius, they are coming back. This time they are very sincere also. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Lot of earth energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Libra especially. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Aquarius. You both are missing each other a lot. Yeah, that's why they're coming back with an apology. The answers you need are coming. So if you are waiting for your person to come back and you are waiting for any answers, then the answers are coming. Your person is coming back. Yeah, the answers you need are coming, and this is the message from universe Aquarius, especially when full moon in Gemini. So this is the reading for you, Aquarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.